NCERT talks about four phenomena: interference, diffraction, reflection, and refraction. Interference and diffraction can be explained by using wave theory, and deflection and refraction could be explained using particle theory. Now let's understand each of them one by one. Let's start with interference. Interference is when two or more than two waves having same frequency or wavelength superimpose each other. The resultant wave might have higher amplitude, lower amplitude, or same amplitude. Constructive interference is when the resultant wave has higher amplitude. What I mean is, if this is one wave, this is two wave. The wave so formed is like this. Then this is constructive interference. This is my meaning to say. This is constructive interference. Now, let's understand constructive interference with the help of some examples. Also, this higher amplitude waves causes bright and dark patterns. Let's understand it with the help of some examples. Let's start with the first one. Have you ever observed a thin film of oil on water? It forms a beautiful pattern. It is due to variation in thickness of the film. At the center it is thicker, and as far we go from the center, the film becomes thinner and thinner. The reflected light from the center and the sides causes constructive interference, which causes colorful patterns. This was our first example. Oil film on water. Peacock feathers. Have you ever observed peacock feathers? Is there only one feather hanging on its body? No, it's a multi-layered structure. So, the reflected light from the multi-layered structure causes constructive interference for certain colors like green and blue. And please note that if the same feather is seen from different angles, then a slight change in the color pattern is observed. And here our interference ends.